is again one particular environment. So there are a lot of example environments we will be looking at. One such environment is called as the vacuum cleaner world. So this is called as, generally in many books, this is referred to as VC environment or vacuum cleaner environment. We have two rooms and this has many different ways to organize. एक example environment है. तो ये दो rooms दिख रहे हैं आपको यहाँ पे, room A and room B, sitting adjacent to each other. This guy over here is our agent called as vacuum cleaner agent. So this is my agent. Okay. So right. Okay. Sorry. This is my vacuum cleaner agent. Okay. This particular thing is dust particles. Okay. बहुत बड़े हैं, but they are dust particles. And this vacuum cleaner agent can do few things. What things it can do? It can change the room. That is, it can go from room on the left hand side to right hand side. Okay. And it can navigate from right hand side to left hand side. It can suck the dust that is present in the room and clean the room. Okay. So वो process को, वो action को clean बोला जाता है. Okay. This particular thing is percept sequence. So currently robot is in room A. So it can perceive in which room it is. Okay. And it can perceive whether the room is clean or not. Fine. So ये जो चीज है ये current percept है, ये जो है current percept है, A comma clean. So if you are in room A and the room is clean, what the robot agent should do? Robot agent should move to right side because A is the room on the left hand side. So the action corresponding to this percept is move to right. Second is, if you are in room A and the room is dirty, naturally you won't be moving to the other room because your vacuum cleaner agent, ideally you should do what? Ideally you should clean the room. For cleaning the room, there is a functionality or the action called as suck. Because it's a vacuum cleaner, vacuum suck करेगा तो automatically सब dirt उसके साथ अंदर चली जाएगी and the room is cleaned. So that is why this percept, अगर ये वाला percept है A dirty, then you should go to suck action, or you should impart that action on the environment. Now, if you are in B and the room is clean, you should move left. If you are in B and the room is dirty, you should move. No, you should not move. You should clean the room. That is why the S operation is performed. Okay. Finally, if I have more than one percept like this, A clean, A clean. Okay. Two percepts are there. I am in room A, room is clean. After some time, again I am in room A, room is clean. What should I do? I should move to right hand side. If I am in room A, room is clean, and after some time again I check the room and the room is dirty. See, that is why these are two different percepts. So time instant set T0, I check the room, and after some time instant 1, I check the room. Initially it was clean, after some time it got dirty, so I will be cleaning the room. Okay, so this is how I can tabulate different kinds of percept sequences when there is this particular agent, which is called as vacuum cleaner agent. It can reside in between two rooms which has two sensors. One is whether the room is A or B. It can identify that. Maybe it is housed with some camera and it just looks at the room and identifies some symbol in the room to say that that room is A, and some other sensor is there to identify whether the room is clean or not. So there are two sensors housed on this vacuum cleaner. Sensor for perceiving which room you are in and sensor for perceiving whether that room is clean or not. Okay, it's a very limited kind of vision. It does not know whether the other room is clean or not sitting in this room. It has to move to the other room. So there are movement defined. Three movements are basically there. One is move right, move left, and suck the dust. So if the room is dirty, it will apply the suck operation. If you're in room A and the room is clean, you will move to room B. If you are in room B and there is no dust in room B is clean, then you move to room A, that is move left. So that is how this particular robot works. So how many sensors are there? There are two sensors. How many actions are there? There are 3 actions to this vacuum cleaner robot in this vacuum cleaner world. Okay. And now if I want to tabulate all the percept sequences that can be there for this vacuum cleaner world, okay, this will be a very much an infinite list. Please I understand that this table, if I try to write all the kind of percepts that the vacuum cleaner could get in his lifetime, okay, this is going to be a very much infinite list, very much a infinite list with only 2 sensors and 3 actions. The mapping between sensor to action in terms of a table of percepts to action or percept sequence to action is going to be an infinite table. Can I generate an infinite table? No, I can't generate an infinite table. So any agent, if it depends on creating a table of mapping between a percept sequence and action, that agent is not going to be realizable. So that's a first kind of agent that people thought of when they tried to represent real world problem using an agent abstraction, and that was to generate a table, a listing of mapping between percept sequence to the action. Okay, a very minimal programming is required for mapping between these two, but coming up with this table itself is an definitely very difficult task. It is a very difficult task to complete. Okay, so somebody is asking a question. What is the endpoint? That is, both rooms are clean at all the time instance. Okay. Yeah, we'll come to that point, Ajay. Right now, what we are thinking about is we merely defined an agent to be one which can perceive the environment and act upon the environment. And it has something called as an agent function. So we are now at the moment looking at this vacuum cleaner world has 2 sensors, 3 actuators. It is interacting with the environment. Environment here is set of 2 rooms in which it is housed. Okay. Now, what we are trying to think of is how this functionality of the agent would be there. What could be the functionality of the agent be defined as? Now, whatever question you are raising, कि eventually क्या करना है? At minimal, ये vacuum cleaner agent continuously ये काम करता रहेगा. वो ये रूम में देखेगा clean है या नहीं है. एक रूम से दूसरे, अगर ये रूम क्लीन है तो दूसरे रूम में जाएगा, क्लीन है या नहीं है दिखेगा, and it will keep on doing this till its battery is charged. Once its battery gets drained, it will stop doing activity. This is how this vacuum cleaner world, this particular example puzzle world works like. Okay, this is not an intelligent agent so far, and that is what we are trying to work out. How to make this intelligent? As you said or pointed out rightly, there has to be certain goal that it has to achieve. That is, the goal may be to keep the rooms clean, average amount of time, say 30-40 seconds या 1 minute 2 minute या 1 hour 2 hour तक रूम डर्टी हो सकते हैं. अगर ये रूम बहुत बड़े हैं, we are not talking about size of the room and we are not talking about how much time it requires to clean a single room. Okay, so average amount of time of the day the room must be clean. That is 50% of the time if somebody inspects, the room must be clean of those times. Okay, अगर मैं दिन में 4 इंस्पेक्शन लेता हूं तो 2 इंस्पेक्शन में दोनों रूम क्लीन होने चाहिए. 50% of the time rooms are clean. ये हो गया goal. Okay, there could be some other goals as well. One of the goal could be the agent should work such that 50% of the time the room should be clean, but also the battery utilization should be optimal. दैट इज, अगर बैटरी का यूजुअल यूटिलाइजेशन है कि बैटरी फुल चार्ज होने के बाद 4 घंटा चलती है, तो वो 4 घंटा मैक्सिमम चलनी चाहिए. क्योंकि जितना आप मूवमेंट्स करोगे यहाँ से वहां से यहाँ, जितना आप क्लीनिंग करोगे उतना बैटरी ड्रेन होते जाएगा, एंड देन you might have to take different course of action than usual. The adaptability, the machine learning capability or other learning capability, we should not call it as machine learning at this level, but you should call it as learning abilities or learning capabilities. So soon we are going to graduate to that point. Monday lectures onwards, we are going to graduate to that particular